we have an update straight from Lars Lindstrom on Jett Lawrence. Obviously, if you missed, well, not obviously, if you missed Moto 1 of Hangtown, the streak ended at 20, was it 24 and 0? Correct me if I'm wrong. I think he won the first two races and all last year, but the streak ended with this right here. Comes up short and just slams into the ground. And I think actually what injured him is falling right there. Because coming from Lars, he's saying that I think that's what actually injured him because he's saying that obviously these foot pegs are super sharp. They're not what you would buy on just like a normal bike. They are basically knives, to grip into the boot so the feet don't slide off. And apparently, when he fell, the foot peg, I guess, took a chunk out of his leg. To as far as he said, that's what it is. Nothing's broken. There's no. As far as he said in the interview, again, if I'm wrong, I'm going off what I've heard and watched from him. Nothing's broken, no tears, no big injuries like that. It was basically he just got stabbed with his own foot peg and it gave him a dead leg. And obviously, motocross, 30 minutes of racing on these tracks at this speed, trying to control the bike with only your upper half. He only made it to, what was it, 24th in Moto 1, and then I think he 6th in Moto 2. And even Jett in the interview after Moto 2 was saying, I just ran out of steam. The whole race basically just trying to hold the bike, control the bike with only the upper half, abs, arms, shoulders, you just run out of steam. Most of these guys, it's drilled into you to hold the bike with your legs and control your body from that part up, not from your arms down. And you gotta say, good job for him to even get back on the bike and finish Moto 1, being that he was down for, was it, a minute and a half? He was obviously, there's no way he was getting points there. So for him to get on the bike and actually finish the race, good job, good heart, shows that he was trying. He could have fully just said, nope, you know what? I just got hurt. My leg hurts. Took a chunk out of myself with the foot peg. I'm obviously in last. There's no way I'm making points. He could have just driven right back to the pits, right back to the RV, and just quit on the first race. But he still tried. Obviously, no points are paid for 24th. But you got to give it to him. It shows heart, shows commitment, and it's not just if I'm not gonna win, I'm not gonna try kind of thing. But I don't know. Comments below, you guys tell me. Did you enjoy the race? What race are you looking forward to? Are you going to any races? I will be at Southwick as always because Southwick is an amazing track and it's also the only one close to me. But I don't know. In the comments below, you guys tell me. What do you think outdoors or whatever you want? I don't know. Tell me if you like burgers with bacon. Let's go with that one for right now. But whatever it is, comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe to all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.